Retired policewoman killed in Hanover. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A retired superintendent of police lost her life in a house fire that destroyed her house in Bombo Drive, Hopewell, Hanover last week, Monday. The deceased has been identified as 89-year-old Elena Nesbeth. The Montego Bay Fire Police The Montego Bay Fire Station said that they received a call around 5:15 a.m. and units from the Montego Bay and Lucy Fire Station responded. The remains of Nesbeth were found during the cooling down operation by firefighters. The death of the retired officer, who has been described as a strong black woman, sent shockwave throughout the community and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. She was once stationed at the Barnett Street Police Station in St. James. The superintendent in charge of the Hanover Police Division, Sharon Beput, said that Nesbeth was a very disciplined and hardworking woman. She was also said to be jovial and easy to get along with. Beput said that the news of Nesbeth's death had hit her hard, as it was just recently that she came across her mine, but did not get a chance to visit her. The death of Nesbeth follows that of 62-year-old retired police Rudolph Medley, who is suspected to have committed suicide in St. James on Friday. Superintendent Beput has expressed concern surrounding what is taking place with retired members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in recent times. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.